Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Threads. So if you want to completely block someone from viewing your profile and your post on Threads, I will show you how to do that. Now what you have to do is you just have to find the person you want to block. You can either find them in your home screen or you can search to find someone here as well. Once you find someone you want to block, just tap on his name or his profile picture and then select these three dots in the top right corner here. Once the menu opens up, simply go down at the bottom and simply tap on this block, and now you will see this will completely block them. They won't be able to message, they won't be able to view your profile, and they won't get notified that you blocked them. So once you are ready, just confirm by tapping on this block and click on OK, and now this person is completely blocked from your profile. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.